Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a maths Olympiad question based on number theory. Let x, y, z all greater than 0 prove that x over 2x plus y plus z plus y over x plus 2y plus z plus z over x plus y plus 2z whole is less than equals to 3 over 4. So to solve this question, we can take S equals to x plus y plus z. Then this inequality becomes x upon s plus x. Second will be y upon s plus y and z upon s plus z. And we have to prove that it is less than equals to 3 over 4. So let's analyze this function. This function is defined from 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity. And we can write this function as f of t equals to t over s plus t. If we write in general form, f of x equals to your x over s plus x. If we will see the derivative of this function equals to s over s plus x whole square, and if we take second derivative of it, it will be negative twice x s over x plus s whole power 2. That means second derivative is negative, means this is a concave function. Another way of writing this identifying concave and convex function, the second derivative is negative, so f of x is concave. Now when it is a concave function, we can use the Jensen's inequality properties. So here, and when we know that when we apply this property, this question becomes simpler. Here, if I take f of x equals to x upon s plus x, f of y equals to y over x plus y, and f of z equals to z over x plus, not x plus z, this is s plus z. So we may write that using Jensen's equality. F of x plus f of y plus of f of z whole divided by 3 is less than equals to f of x plus y plus z over 3. And x plus yz is s, we know, or f of x plus f of y plus f of z is less than equals to 3 times of f s over 3. So when we have defined fx is equals to x by s plus x, then what will be fs over 3? It will be s over 3 over s plus s by over 3. So now replacing this it will be 1 by 4. So f of x plus f of y plus f of z is less than equals to 3 into 1 by 4, or that will be less than equals to 3 by 4. So we are able to prove it. So x over 2x plus y plus z plus y over x plus 2y plus z plus z over x plus y plus 2iz is less than equals to 3 over 4. It's proved. So I hope you enjoyed the solution. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel.